Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I will elaborate some Canva AI features. We will log into Canva, and when you log into Canva there is search bar, but above search bar there is three options: your design, templates, and then Canva AI. So simply click on Canva AI, and when you click on that, there is a search bar. So you can write what you wanna prepare. So below the search bar there is again some options like design, image, documents, code, and video clip. Make sure that video clip is a feature of Canva Pro, but beside that you can use the other four features, other four options. So for example, I'm going to prepare a logo for Solution In. So for example, this is a name of a company and I wanna make logo for this. So what I will do, I will write here in the search bar, but I will also choose Canva AI option, and then I will write here, make a logo for me. Brand name is Solution In. So after this I will submit and it will take a while, and then you can see in just few seconds they create for our 5 logos for me, and these are free of cost. So the logos that Canva AI prepared for you in just few seconds. Below this you can see there is options, more logo designs, add a light bulb icon image. Lots of options are available over there, but for example, if you want to do some more changes beside this, so there is option of a chatbot, so you can write what you want. So for example, there is an option with modern color scheme. So if you click on that, so now you can see there is again some changes they did in our logos, and now you have again some more options you like, so you can simply download from here. Beside that there is a chat option. You can write here that I want to do this type of modification or changes in my logo, so Canva AI will do this for you. And also there is a plus icon. If you click on this, so you can upload a reference file here. For example, you can upload a picture or a logo that you wanna upload for a reference. So this is also an amazing feature, and according to that, Canva AI will modify a logo for you. So now I will move toward another feature. Another feature is how you can make a presentation by using Canva AI. So for that there is an option where you can write, and according to that they will make a presentation for you. So for example, I will simply write a prompt and paste it here, and I will submit. So it will take a while, and now you can see there is options. According to that they will create a presentation for me like elegant, professional, 1 to 5 pages. So for example, I am going to select the option of professional, and you can see there is educational option, and some more options are available. So I will click on educational option, and also I will click on balance, and then 5 to 15 pages presentation that I want to prepare. So now I will submit, and you can see they just start preparing my presentation, and you can see there is a title and subtitle, presentation name, and all these things they just right here in just few seconds. Beside that you can also do some more changes here, and according to that they will make a slides for you. So if you are satisfied, just proceed it and click on generate. So now you can see there is few templates are available over there, and you can proceed with one. So for example, I am going to make some changes in this presentation template because I like this. So I will click on that, and then I can do some changes if I want. I can add animation, I can add some icons, it just text, some other stuff that if I want to do. If I want to do some more changes, I can do it here. Beside that there is also option ask me anything, so you can ask Canva AI and they will do some more changes for you. So this presentation is editable. What you can do, if you have your picture, some diagram, flowchart, and some bar chart that you prepared for your presentation, just simply upload this to Canva and add this in a template of your presentation to make your presentation more attractive. So that's all about presentation that you can make in Canva AI. I will move toward another feature, that how you can use Canva AI and option of code. So for example, I'm going to make a game. I can use Canva AI option and coding option. So for that, I will write a prompt by using ChatGPT, and I will paste that prompt here. So after pasting of prompt, I will click on code option and then submit. So you can see they just creating coding for my game, and it will take a while. It's really very simple thing that Canva AI will do for you. So now you can see they just create a game which is a memory match fun, and this game I have to match 4 things to proceed for the next stage. So let me click it here. So you can see there is option of reset game, and you can play it again. Beside that, if you want to change background of this game, so there is option ask me anything, just right here. So they will do that changes for you if you want to change background, if you want to do some more things. So Canva AI will do that changes for you. So I will write here change the color. Now you can see they just change the color. So you can make this game more attractive for yourself, and it's really easy. But believe me, this Canva AI feature is very amazing. So thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Have a good day.